What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to create gradient background colors in Canva. So what you need to do is log into your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, then you can create a free account on this website. Now, the next step is to, of course, like the video and subscribe to our channel to see more tips for Canva. What we are going to do now is basically create a new design, and it doesn't matter which format you are using. So we will select for the example this one. Now what you can do is select the background and then click on background color. And here you will find different options, as you can see. And all the way down you will find the gradient options. Now just select one, and after that we can change it manually. So once you have selected the option, then we can head out and then select again the background and then click on color. And then you will find the gradient background color. Now if you click on these settings, then you can change the options. And as you can see, you've got different formats to change the gradient color effect. And we also would like to change the colors within this gradient background color effect, because we would like to make it a little bit more colorful. So select the preferred color, and once you have selected that, then you can go out and select the second color. Let's say we would like to make it blue, so we will slide it to the blue colors and then select the preferred blue color. And as you can see, you now have successfully created a gradient background color in Canva. To customize it even more, you even can add a new color to it and maybe add some red to it. Now once you have done this, then you will see that there are 3 colors added into your gradient background color, and you can customize it however you want. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!